Here is your new 2016 Canyon four-wheel drive SLT crew cab. This Canyon has a 2.8-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The color is onyx black and it features 18-inch wheels. Inside we see the jet black leather interior. This has premium audio. The headlights are automatic. The steering wheel has audio controls. This vehicle features a color touch radio with IntelliLink, including backup camera, audio navigation, OnStar, and also hands-free calling. It has a 4G LTE hotspot, power adjustable driver's seat, and it features the driver alert package with forward collision warning, lane departure warning. The rear seats are folding bench seats. From the back we can see the easy lift locking tailgate, and it also includes a locking spare tire, and it has the corner step rear bumper. And here we have your new 2016 Canyon four-wheel drive. Please come by for a test drive and more information. My name is Cheryl, and I can be reached at 561-278-3217. Thanks.